I am utilizing the BID Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to BID Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger which is AR from. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Actions. Connect Site. Give here the webhook link. So visit the Connect Site dashboard. Create Connect Site. Give a Connect Site name. Search a trigger webhook. Drag and drop here. Copy the webhook URL. Capture webhook response. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Connect Site site. And choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Drag and drop here. Choose Action. Select Account. Choose Base ID. Choose Table ID. Choose Type or Case. Select additional fields. OK. Now create a connection between webhooks and Airtable. Test and review. Save. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Connect Site. Thanks for watching.